HSI Services Easy Roller is an efficient and effective solution for re-rolling our flagship Aqua-Barrier product line. Easy Roller works best with our smaller sized Aqua-Barriers and only requires 2 workers to operate. Begin by removing the top quick release pin from each side of the Easy Roller, pulling off one end bracket and removing the top bar. Locate one of the PVC pipes that came with your Aqua-Barrier and set on the folded bag roughly 5 feet from the end. Insert the bottom Easy Roller bar still attached to one bracket into the placed PVC pipe. Then, fold the end of the Aqua-Barrier to envelop the pipe. Next, insert the top bar into the second PVC pipe before securing it to both end brackets. Be sure to lock the bar in place on each side with the quick release pins. You're now ready to install the geared lever handles into the bottom bar on each end of the Easy Roller. Be sure to engage the gear and pawl on each lever handle to ensure the one direction locking needed to roll the Aqua-Barrier. With the Easy Roller now assembled, use the handles to pull it snug into the fold of the barrier. With one worker on each side, push each handle forward and begin the rolling process. Once pushed forward, one handle will remain to hold position as the other pulls back to the starting point. Repeat this process until the bag has been fully rolled up. When your Aqua-Barrier has been rolled, you may now remove each lever handle and the bracket from one end of the Easy Roller so it can be easily pulled out from the other side. Your Aqua-Barrier is now ready for shipment and storage.